Today is Tuesday, May 14th. This is the 1967-68 Cadillac Neutral Safety Switch. This is the 4-prong variant specific to 1967 and 1968 only. It has the 4 nozzles on the back that provide vacuum assist release of the emergency brake when shifted into drive, which is unique and specific to this vacuum assisted neutral safety switch. It has 4 electrical prongs that facilitate the start in park and neutral, as well as the reverse electrical prongs that allow the reverse lights to activate. So I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is for my friend Teresa in Oakland. And I'm going to go ahead and apply power to the park and neutral position. And I'll go ahead and connect it to power, and we see that the light bulb comes on when we're in the neutral position as depicted by this letter N, or when we're in the park position, or when we're anywhere else other than neutral and park, the light bulb does not come on. Okay, so the light bulb comes on in park and the light bulb comes on in neutral. Now I'll go ahead and apply the electrical prongs for the reverse test. And we see the light bulb, and we will see that the light bulb does not come on until I position the neutral safety switch to the reverse location. Okay, but when we're in park or in neutral, nothing comes on until we go back to the electrical prongs that facilitate the park and the neutral. Okay, so this is George in Florida. This is a fully restored neutral safety switch. This is one out of 75,000 original vintage Cadillac items that I have specific for the Eldorado from 1967 all the way through 78. I have 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard to source, original vintage Cadillac items.